Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, quick market update. Guys, I've been telling you guys for so long now that the truth are in the charts. The truth are in the charts. It's not... the chart is a simple representation, and sometimes the chart can actually tell you what's likely to come out, whether it's going to be good news or bad news. Sometimes the chart, learning how to read the chart, you can actually see that, right? And you can see what's happening now. As you know, as you can see, we've got a lot more selling volume as well too, and we've got this down bar. You guys know, right? For the last 2 months, I've been saying I'm bearish in this market, and I've deliberately said that video after video after video, that I've continued to be bearish and bearish and bearish. And I'm not looking at the plunge protection team, because the plunge protection team is gonna keep it up, and all this sort of ifs and buts, and it's like that is a whole bunch of garbage. It really is. So guys, I hope you can see over the last few months about what I've been saying, and I believe this is the start of something big happening. This is the start of something big happening, because we can see it's been rolling over ever since. And you guys have been following me, especially for the last few months. You guys have been seeing me say, look at what the chart is telling you, not what this other news announcement is telling you. And it's not, and it's like, oh look, and it's like, it's really interesting, guys. Like, oh look, the market went down because a FBI announcement came out. Okay, but the charts are already weak, so you would expect it to go down. Oh, look, something, I don't know what happened last night. Something caused this market to come down. Oh, John, the market went down because of this news announcement. It's like, I think, guys, even if we don't focus on the news, we can actually see that the chart is telling you fundamentally something's not right now. Makes sense? And so you can see what's happened through there. And I was talking to this is a millionaire mentor, by the way. I was talking to a millionaire mentor of mine a while ago, and he said, and we're talking about fundamental analysis versus technical analysis. And now, yes, they're two different types of analysis. He said, but John, here's the interesting thing about fundamentals and technicals. He said, if you can read the charts really well, you can understand the fundamentals. And I said to him, what do you mean by that? And he goes, well, if you can really read the chart really well about breakouts, about the flow of the market, really understand the price action, he said, you can get a better understanding of what's happening right now in that time, right now what's happening in that time, than any other news announcement or reporter can tell you, because the truth are in the charts. The charts are king. That's what that's where it matters. So I said to him, so are you saying that the better you can read the charts, the better you can actually understand what's happening fundamentally at that time without even understanding the fundamentals? I said, so that means you can actually you can see fundamentally what's happening at that time without even looking into the fundamentals. And he said, there you go. And when I said that, he got up and he bowed down to me. He goes, see, you're my teacher now. He's like, yeah, what you said. And I'll never forget that. And as you can see, guys, and I'm bringing that up here for you guys, because ever since, and I've been harping on this for the last few months, because I really want to get you guys focusing on not all this other garbage and BS out there. Yes, there's going to be something that's going to come out of the markets that's going to push this down, but the markets have continued to be week after week after week after week. Not weak as in week after week after week. It's been weaker. It's just been continued to step down. And you guys have been seeing, I've been talking about the false breakout with the Dow Jones. I'm saying, guys, and I've been saying for the last few months, guys, check out this false breakout with the Dow Jones. And if I bring up the daily chart, I was talking about this line chart, and I brought up this line chart so many times in the last few months, saying, guys, this looks like it's going to be a false breakout. It looks like we're going to start rolling over here, and the Dow Jones is showing a false breakout, and something's just not right here, and it's very, very weak. And as you guys know, right, and this is where, guys, like trading what you see, trade what you see, not what you hope for. right? You trade, and some people are like, John, but the plunge protection team, every time the market goes down to this 18,000 level, the plunge protection team holds it up. So therefore, they're not going to let this market drop. And all this story. There's all these reasons why something can happen. And all I say is, if you want to become a good trader, you trade what you see, not what you think or hope for. Trade what you see, not what you think or hope for. Not plunge protection team, not if Donald Trump's going to win or Hillary Clinton's going to win or someone else is going to win. You can't, who knows what's going to happen there. But the only thing you can do is trade what you see right now and have good trade management. So if you're wrong, you get out with a small loss. If you're right, you make a big profit. That's the name of the game. And it can be that simple. But the time that most people spend is not, they don't spend a lot of time focusing on the charts itself. What do? They focus a lot of time on all this other stuff that really doesn't matter. It really doesn't make any major difference to them whatsoever. Make sense? So moving forward, guys, I'm saying this, guys, because you guys know for the last few months I've been saying, no, I'm not bullish on this. I am bearish. I have bearish positions on right now. When the market goes down, I'm going to benefit from it. And you're seeing the Dow Jones right now. It's really starting to roll over, as you can see. You look at the Dow Jones there, and you look at the S&P 500. Look at the S&P 500. It finally closed below that with increasing volume, guys. This has all been in the charts for the last few months, and I've been saying something's happening. Something's going to happen. I've even did titles saying something big's going to happen. Something's going to happen. I even did a video yesterday saying, are we getting ready for a big drop? And the market comes down, and we've got some selling on. Oh, but John, the market went down because there was this news announcement. I was like, yeah, who cares about that? I didn't even know what. And the thing is, guys, I didn't even know what caused the market to go down. But you guys know, if you focus on what the chart's saying, something as simple as saying, okay, this thing's stepping down, and and now, especially right now, we're breaking past these major key areas of support, guys. There's nothing bullish about that. And I've been saying that for the last few weeks as well too. So, guys, please, if you're serious about making a career out of trading, focus on what the charts are telling you and nothing else. Not what the plunge protection team might do and stuff like that. Just don't do that. Okay? Focus on what the charts are telling you. Moving forward, guys, you guys know, talking about the Nasdaq as well too. We've got this nice head and shoulder formation. And where it is right now, I don't know whether it's going to keep going down or not. I don't know, guys, but all I do say is that this market has continued to be weak. And I've been saying that for the last few months, that there's something's not right here. The Dow Jones hasn't broken a new high with the S&P where it is right now, and the Dow Jones is leading us. And all these videos I've been doing day after day after day, trying to show you what I'm seeing, and you're starting to see it right now, guys. Again, it's not about me being right, because I'm wrong sometimes. But that's where what this is all about is saying, okay, if you want to have the best chance of moving forward, trade what you see, not what you hope for. Have a tight stop, have a bigger profit target, game over. It can be that simple. Right? SPY, look at this. SPY breakdown, increase in volume. It's breaking past major key areas of support right now, guys. And this is confirmed a false breakout. This is confirmed a false breakout. This whole thing here was a false breakout. Now it's breaking down. And unless we turn around really quickly and run straight back up, which I don't think is going to happen, we're getting ready for something big. Something major is about to hit the markets, guys. The charts have continued to be week after week after week. And this is where I say to you guys, for you guys that are bullish in the market has been giving us plenty of time to get out, because the market is saying, hey, we're getting weak. We're stepping down. We're stepping down. We're stepping down. We're stepping down. You know what I mean? So you can see what's happening through there, and same with the QQQ. We're starting to get a lot more selling point there as well too. Even like the VIX, you guys know I've been in the VIX. I got back here in the VIX through here, August. I got back here in July as well too. So I lost a bit of time value, but now that's sort of caught up as well too. And also I bought some more VIX around here, around this area through here somewhere as well too. So basically at the start of October, somewhere around there, that's where I bought more VIX. And I bought as much time as possible, and now we're spiking. All those options are now making money, and I'm doing really well, and I think there's a lot more spiking to come when it comes to that. Looking at the transportation average, not much going on there, but we are starting to roll over, as you can see. We're starting to roll over now, but not much going on through there. You can see here the Russell 3000 did indeed break that major support level, broke down And again, look at that major selling volume there. Major selling volume. Guys, something major is about to hit the markets, and something major is happening behind the scenes. That's what the charts are telling us. And guess what, guys? Maybe it's a Donald Trump win, because as you can see, right, if Donald Trump wins and the market goes down, if that's a connection there, if that is the connection where if Donald Trump wins, market goes down, then the charts are telling us Donald Trump is going to win. Right? That's what the market is telling us. If we just look at the facts of what it's saying. But again, guys, if that is true, if Hillary Clinton wins, the market goes up, and if Donald Trump wins, the market goes down, like really has a big sort of like Brexit type thing. If that is the true connection between the market movement and the two candidates from Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump, then you can see that the charts are telling you Donald Trump's going to win. Donald Trump's going to win. And looking at the Russell 3000, Russell 2000, should I say, that was Russell 3000. We broke past there, and it's really interesting to see where we broke past there. And now looking at the Russell 2000, Russell 2000 has been continuing to drop off more and more. This is not looking good, guys. This is not looking good. Maybe it's going to be a November 1929 style of movement. That's just what I'm seeing there, guys. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember, guys, that no matter what's happening in the markets, no matter what's happening in the economy, read the charts. I made that fatal mistake at the start of the year, guys, by following all this other bullshit out there, and it only caused my trading to go back. The first half of this year, I was like, sort of like pounding. It was like, struggling to move forward, and then it came about. What was it about? April, May, June. It was about May, June. I said, you know what? I'm done with this shit. I'm done with the news announcements. I'm done with this shit. I'm going to go back to trading what I see, and I'm not even going to spend time looking at all that other stuff, because it's not serving me. And guess what, guys? Boom, I've been back on track, and you guys have actually seen that with my videos moving forward. Again, I can't, you can go back and actually see my videos as well too. So there's a little indexes update, guys. Something major is about to hit the markets. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.